Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to turn your blog post or script into a stunning video in minutes without editing skills? In this video, I will show you step by step how to use Lumen5 AI to turn plain text into professional videos, perfect for YouTube, Instagram, or your website. So first of all, search for Lumen5. Now let's talk about what is Lumen5. Lumen5 is an AI-powered video creation tool that converts text into video using stock footage, music, and transitions. Great for content creators, marketers, and beginners who want fast, clean results without using complex editing software. Now, go to lumen5.com and click on it. Now click sign up for free. For this tutorial, I will use my temporary mail. You can use your personal email address. So open sign up page and enter your full name. Enter your work email and password. If you have already an account, just click login, or you can also sign up with your Facebook account. Just click login and enter your login credentials. Then click login again. You can start with a free plan, but paid versions unlock higher quality exports and branding control. Now you are in. Once inside the dashboard, click the Create button or New Video button. Choose a video format. Click Skip for that, for this. Now choose one from here, like text on media. Then paste your text. You can upload your image from here. Click Upload and write the text here. You will now paste your script, blog post, or content into the text box. Lumen5's AI will break it into slides automatically and match it with relevant visuals from their stock library. Choose a video format like landscape for YouTube, square for Instagram, vertical for Reels, and TikTok. Pick a theme for your video which controls fonts, transitions, and styles. You will now add some text like how to create a cricket poster or football poster. Then click compose script, or you can keep for now. Then convert to video. Go slide by slide. You can edit text or highlight key phrases. Replace background footage. Change timing. Add your own branding with a logo or watermark if you are on a paid plan. Click the music button. Choose background music from here, then drag onto your canvas. Click the plus icon. You can record your voiceover, insert a talking head sense, etc. You can also upload your own voiceover for a more professional touch. Make sure the music matches the mood of your content. Under the branding tab, you can add your brand colors, fonts, and logo, perfect for keeping content consistent across platforms. Once you are happy with your slides and audio, click preview. To watch full video, then hit publish. Choose your export quality and wait a few seconds to download. You can now upload your Lumen5 video to platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or even embed it on your blog or sales pages. Pro tips: keep text short per slide, use bold or highlight to guide viewers, choose footage that matches your tone. Voiceovers make videos feel more personal. Then save your video, give it a name like Lumen5 new video. Now open it. And that's it. So Lumen5 is easy to creating video. So that's how you turn text into a stunning video using Lumen5 AI. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Want more tutorials on other AI tools? Let me know in the comments. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.